I'm gonna make a rye boat dip. Actually, this isn't rye. This is garlic Tuxan bread. So get any piece of bread like this, and that will be excellent. And what you have to do is gotta make a hole in it and get a knife better than this fucking thing. It's certainly not a Ginzu. It actually sucks. I think I bought this at the dollar store. It's alright. As long as you have like a... My god, I'm gonna have to get the vacuum out pretty soon. So anyways, it doesn't really matter. As long as like there's a bottom and there's sides, it's all good. So that's good. Let me see if I can... How many fingers I can saw off by the time this is over with. Alright, look at that. That looks fantastic. Look at that. Perfection. More particularly bread Mozart. So, there's certain things that you have to do here. So, if you're a vegan, which I'm not a vegetarian, you get dried beef like this. Usually I have, hang on. I eat a lot of this bullshit. It's a lot of protein. It makes your poop good. So I would substitute this for this, but I'm not a vegetarian, so I'm going to do the chipped beef here. So it doesn't really matter. So it's all dried. It's all good. It's all dried. Look at that. I wouldn't recommend putting that whole thing in there, because that wouldn't taste good. So I would recommend maybe, I don't know, about this much. Then put the rest away. I don't know. I would put it under your bed. Maybe put it under your pillow and leave it there for about 200 days, and it should smell really good. Alright, so we'll put this in. Alright, so we're going to put all this shit in this shit. So get a bowl that holds stuff, preferably. If you get a bowl that doesn't hold stuff, then that's not my problem. Cut it up. I mean, you can use a knife. I don't recommend not using a knife, because usually you cut your fingers off, but I'm just going to use a knife here. And you can cut. I'm not Chef Boyardee here, or Chef Tell, or Gordon Ramsay. So here we go. You do this, you do that. Alright, just put it in something that's clean, preferably clean. If it's dirty, then I don't know, you can get extra taste, I guess. I'm not really sure. So, okay. So there you go. So here's sour cream. Grab some sour cream. Open the sour cream. It's easier to pour it into another bowl if you open it. Alright, and they got, it's like childproof. Jesus Christ. Alright, now put this salad, and they give you this. I'm not sure what you do with it. I'm going to put it in the garbage. Alright, so take find a spoon, or a fork, or a spork, and then put like, in this case, we're only going to put like a third. Now, if you're a master of ingredients like I am, you're going to put about a third in there. If you're a master cook like I am, you're going to put about a third in there. Alright? And then you can put more in. The thing is, you can't take more out. You can put more in. You just can't. It's hard once you mix all this shit together to take it out. Alright, so here's some mayo. Let's do that. Oops. I just flipped my lid. Alright, so this off. So many people might be asking, Chris, why are you doing this on Facebook? Why are you making it live? I'll give you a few answers. First off, I'm bored as shit. Second off, I'm going to put this on my YouTube channel. Third off, I'm fucking hungry. And fourth off, I don't know. I got my own reasons. So kind of equal up the sour cream to the mayonnaise with that one. All right, and kind of mix it in. And it's going to start looking okay. I'm not going to get too crazy. I'm one guy. I'm trying to lose weight. I'm not trying to... So let me show you. I'm trying to lose weight. That's great. It's all in... Anyways. So then you get some onions. Onions. Oops. Cellophane all over the floor. It's crazy. It's craziness over here. It's a party. So we're just gonna do some onions. Not too crazy. Save them for your omelet tomorrow. So we'll put that away. Alright. So tofu, like I said, you can use it in place of chickpea. I just want chickpea. I'm not a vegetarian. I just eat a lot of fucking tofu. Alright, so we'll get this is all fresh shit. So this is dill. This is good. Alright, so you want to use the ends, right? You don't want to get too crazy. I just usually use the ends. And, I don't know, it's like, I don't know, I think it cost me $1. It's not really that big a fucking deal. It's just for taste. It tastes good. I mean, I'm not shitting you. It tastes really good. It's good in spaghetti and stuff like that. Good. Just put it in there. It tastes good. You can put it away for later. I wouldn't recommend using the stem or anything, but you can use the top. It's fine. It's all good. Okay, we'll put that away. So this is oh, parsley. It's a lot. It's like $1.49 for parsley. It's crazy. I won't use this in a million years. Also good for spaghetti and stuff like that. It's just for taste. And again, you can eat parsley. It's not going to kill you. It's just for taste. So put So these are herbs. They're very strong flavored. So, I mean, don't get too crazy over it. I'm not going to put all that in there. Alright. So, I'll mix that all together. And actually, it's very thick. So, I would do more sour cream here. It's very thick, because you don't want your rye boat dip, or whatever the fuck this is called, very thick. You want to dip your bread and go to town, get all excited. Alright, so there's one other thing. Hold on. Alright. So there's garlic powder. Don't put the whole thing of garlic, just a little garlic powder in there. Just gonna do that. Alright, check this shit out. This is awesome. This is the awesome part. Alright, we can put this shit in here. Let's get rid of this shit. Alright, this is the awesome part. So we take all your shit, put it in here. You can make more. I mean, I don't have a spatula or anything. So, on shot. kind of taste. It's gonna taste lovely, babies. Trust me. And you can put like, all right, if there's, this is just for garnish. If there's some shit like that. All right, so grab a piece of bread that's left over. All right. I'm gonna sign off in a minute. So just grab this. It's gonna be luxurious. Baby, this is good shit. All right. That's fucking fantastic. Trust me. Alright. I sound like Chef Tell. Alright. As soon as I wipe my hands, I can't touch my camera when my hand's all goopy. This is good shit. Alright. Bye-bye.